Hello friends, welcome to Idli Indulgence. In this channel, we explore the delicious world of South Indian dish called idlis. We have a punchy, flavorful recipe today. Let's get into it. Today, we are going to make mango idli. I'm thinking of making it in two ways and see which one tastes better. The first version is using shredded raw mango, and the second one is by using mango pickle. For that, here I have 2 cups with idli batter in it and shredded mango, and this is the mango pickle. So I'm gonna put this in and mix it well. I'm going to add a little bit of salt for seasoning. I've mixed them well. It's time to cook them.
"15 minutes later."
I can actually smell the mango pickle flavor. Let's take it out of the mold, let it cool down a little bit, and then do the tasting. Okay, we have the pickled version here and the shredded raw mango version here. Let's see how both taste. We'll start off with the pickle version. I can see like chunks of mango pickle in there. The mango flavor just hits you. Let's try the shredded version. I was expecting a punch like this flavor, but it is subtle. I can taste the mango flavor, but not in a punchy mango way. It is subtle, smooth. I like it. It also has a nice texture. The shredded strands of mango that actually has a nice texture to it. Both versions came really well. If I have to pick one, I would pick the pickled version. It was super easy to make. It had that depth of mango flavor in it. The shredded version was very subtle and smooth, but I personally like both. So you guys try it at home as well and let me know how it came for you. If you like these kind of videos, please like, share and subscribe for more Idli adventures. See you in the next video soon. Take care.